Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious little boy named Timmy. Timmy loved to explore the world around him and had a special interest in collecting strange and wonderful objects. One day, while wandering through the woods, Timmy stumbled upon a peculiar pot. It was old and weathered, but there was something magical about it. As he picked it up, he could feel a warm, tingling sensation course through his fingers. Timmy took the pot home and placed it on his shelf, where it shimmered and sparkled with an inner light. That night, as he lay in bed, he couldn't help but wonder what the mysterious pot might do. The next morning, Timmy woke up to find that the pot had mysteriously filled with the most delicious-smelling porridge. He eagerly ate his breakfast, wondering if this was the magic he had been searching for. Throughout the day, the pot continued to fill with all sorts of wonderful things. Fresh fruits, flowers, and even tiny, glittering gems. Timmy was amazed and grateful for his newfound treasure. But as the days turned into weeks, Timmy began to feel a little sad. He realized that the pot had become more of a chore than a source of joy. He was constantly rushed, trying to keep up with all the magical gifts it produced. One evening, as Timmy sat on his porch, he looked at the pot and thought about what it had once meant to him. He missed the excitement and curiosity of discovering it for the first time. He decided it was time to make a change. The next morning, Timmy woke up early and approached the pot with a newfound sense of purpose. He placed a single, loving hand on the pot and said, "I am grateful for all the magic you have brought me, but I want to remember the joy and wonder you brought me when I first found you. Please help me do that again." As he finished speaking, the pot shimmered and sparkled once more, filling with a warm, golden light. Timmy knew that from that day forward, he would cherish the magic pot for the wonder it truly was. And he would always remember the lessons it had taught him about the importance of gratitude and remembering the simple joys in life. The end.